everyone, welcome to Orchid C Learning. Today, let us see the objectives, question answers and exercises of the lesson Light and Shadows from Class 5 Science. Before starting the session, I would like to tell you that all the long answer type questions are included in my website. The link is given in the description box. Okay, this video contains only short answer type questions, objectives, fill in the blanks, etc. Let us start the session now. First question, choose the correct options. An example of transparent material is dash. Look at the options. Option A, clear glass. B, wood. C, mud. And D, mirror. What is the example of a transparent material? And the answer is A, clear glass. Next, which of the following materials is translucent? Option A, clear glass. B, wood. C, mirror. And D, colored glass. Think about your answer. Which material is translucent? And the answer is D, colored glass. Third, an example of an opaque material is dash. A, clear glass. B, a piece of wood. C, colored glass. And D, clear water, which is an opaque material. And the answer is B, a piece of wood. Next, which of these materials would form a shadow? A, clear glass. B, a piece of wood. C, colored glass. And D, both B and C. Which will form a shadow? And the answer is D, both B and C. That is, a piece of wood and the color glass can form a shadow. Next, the shadow of an object does not show dash. A, the shape of the object. B, the outline of the object. C, the color of the object. And D, none of these. And the answer is C, the color of the object. Shadow doesn't show the color of the object because the shadow is always dark. Next question, fill in the blanks with correct words. In this, you will get two options. You need to select the correct word. Okay, look at the first one. Different materials allow dash amounts of light to pass through them. And the options are same or different. I repeat the question. Different materials allow dash amounts of light to pass through them. It is different. Next, a sheet of paper rubbed with oil is a dash material. Options, transparent or translucent. And the answer is translucent. Dash materials block the light completely. Option, translucent or opaque. It is opaque. Number 4. A shadow is formed on the dash side of the light source. Option is opposite or same. It is opposite. A shadow is always dash in color, black or white. It is black. Sixth one, a shadow is formed when dash objects block the light. Option is opaque or transparent. And the answer is opaque. Next, dash objects do not form shadows. Transparent or translucent objects do not form shadows. And the answer is transparent. Eighth one, a dash of light is needed for shadows to form. Look at the options: source or resource. It is source. A source of light is needed for shadows to form. Next one, the dash of the shadow is same as that of the object. Option: color or outline. It is outline. A shadow is dash during early mornings. Short or long? It is long. Next question. Write whether the following statements are true or false. First, a shadow is formed on the same side of the source of light. You need to tell it is true or false. As I always keep telling you, please write the answers in the comment sections, which will give you a better practice, or else you can take the notebook or pencil or pen or whatever you want, and you can just start writing your answers when you are reading the questions. It is very good for the practice. And the answer for first one is false, because it forms always on the opposite side of the source of the light. Okay. Next one, a shadow is always colored. It is also false. A shadow is always dark or black. Third, a shadow shows details of the object. It is also false. Transparent objects do not form shadows. It is true, because only translucent or opaque objects forms the shadows. Fifth one, a shadow is of the same color as that of the object. It is false. As I told you, a shadow is always dark or black. It doesn't have any color. Next, write one word for the following. You will get one statement. You need to write only one word answer for that. First one is materials that allow all the light pass through them. It is transparent materials. Next, materials that allow some amount of light to pass through them. It is translucent materials. Materials that completely block the light. They are opaque materials. Fourth one, the dark spot formed by an object when it blocks the light. What do we call that dark spot? It is shadow. Next, short answer type questions. First one, what are transparent materials? Give any two examples. Here, clearly you need to write the definition of transparent materials and give any two examples. And the answer is, materials that allow all the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. Example, clear glass and clean water. Next, what are translucent materials? Give two examples. Answer is, Materials that allow some amount of light to pass through them are called translucent materials. Examples are colored glass and a sheet of paper rubbed with oil. Third question. What are opaque materials? Give 2 examples. Answer is, materials that completely block the light are called opaque materials. Examples are mud and wood. Next question. Why do translucent and opaque materials form shadows? Answer is, translucent and opaque materials form shadows because translucent objects block some light and opaque objects block the light completely. Next, when is a shadow shortest? It means at what time of the day a shadow is shortest. And the answer is, a shadow is shortest at noon. It means at afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. As I told you earlier, for long answer type questions, you need to follow my website or visit my website. The link is given in the description box.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated. Your comments and suggestions are valuable to us.